This is the how to change your Talaria gear oil, the fast version. So there's a couple of bolts here. So this thing bolts up like up here. There's a couple of bolts. Take those bolts off. Then there's this bolt right here. Loosen this bolt, take this bolt off, press it down. I don't want to take that off. I don't feel like I need to, so I just put some, you know, just got a little something. This broke free, no big deal. I used a, what was it? 17 millimeter socket wrench for that. Pretty simple. Don't know, use the small Allen key for the rest of everything. So this is ready to go. As you can see, it's so ridiculously full. I'm like touching it. This is the break-in oil change. So let's go ahead and, you know, take this off and see what we can see. Got the crush washer. I'm not gonna replace the crush washer, just gonna leave it. It's only like 90 milliliters of oil though, it's like not a lot. And I think that's magnetic, or this should be magnetic. I don't see a whole lot of stuff on it. Here's the residue on what came off it. I can see a couple of shavings, very, very tiny, very minimal. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna fill it with the, so they gave me this synthetic gear oil that we can put in it. I think what I'll do is I'll just dump some of this into it, because I kind of want to let it like drain out. Kind of want to get whatever's in there to kind of go through just a little bit. It's running so clear. There's really nothing in there. All right, so I finished it. I got it down to like, just hand tight, back to where it was. Pretty easy. That was actually really, really easy. And now I'm just gonna fill it up with this this synthetic gear oil that they gave me and just see how far it gets me. And if I need any more, I'll just mix it with this other gear oil and we'll see what happens. So it's filling up very, very slowly. It looks like it's just gonna come out, but it's not. So I guess it's still filling up. It's like very close to coming just through the top. So this thing's supposed to be just 90 milliliters right here, 90. And man, I didn't use that to fill it up at all. It might even like overflow here if I'm sticking this cap on. Hit. That's good. Essentially we just fill it up and then we'll check it in 1,000 miles. All right. I mean, that's so easy. It's about as easy as you can get. Okay. I'll just put it back together and I'll see you in the next one.